Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night to my teacher and my friend. My name is Sidam Permata Ramadan. I am from class 90 to 7 and my name is 902451 and 33. Today I will to give my presentation about software and operation system. Slide 1. What is software? Software is a program that manages and control hardware, resource, and provide an interface for user to run application. Function function software manage and control running processes. Divide text among CPU so that processes can run efficiently, manage memory usage optimally so that programs can run without interruption, and provide memory space for each application that is running. Slide 2. Example of software based on type. An operating system is software as to manage hardware that is installed and connected to the CPU. The operating system also has the function of managing all processes that occur and are commanded by the user on the CPU. The OS ensures that commands can work and be executed properly. The operating system can be considered the parent of all software installed on a computer. Without it, virus software, especially application programs, cannot be used on the computer. Examples of operating system software are Windows and Mac. OS is also present on mobile devices such as Android and iOS. Programming language. A programming language is a language asked to create a program. There are many types of programming languages, such as HTML, C++, and Java. Programming languages are created with special software. This software is designed to develop programming languages. Application programs. Application programs are the most common type of software found on computer. These application programs are what most people understand as computer software. Application programs are software that is generally used to complete various daily tasks and activities. In terms of quantity, application programs are indeed superior to that there have been countless application programs released. Examples of application programs are Word, Excel, Media Player, Winamp, Internet Download Manager, and another application program. Application programs are very easy to find on any computer and any device. Slide Next slide. Example software based on distribution. Firmware. Firmware is software that can only be read. This firmware can only be viewed but cannot be changed. Modification and development are not necessary even if problems arise in its functionality. Examples include BIOS, printer code, and home lighting control software. Freeware. Freeware is software that is free to us and has no time limit. Some freeware offer all of its features, while others limit the feature available. To use this feature, users are usually asked to upgrade to premium hardware, while freeware allow users to ask to use the software for free. Hardware provide free feature with the caveat that there will be advertisement. These advertisements are inevitable and user will definitely encounter them. These advertisements are a hidden cost imposed on user. Open source. Open source is software whose source code is made available to the public. The public can access the source code to develop the software or distribute it widely and freely. Open source software is generally free to use and uses a GPL or general public license. Malware. Malware is software that poses a threat and generally damage computer. Malware is usually distributed secretly and hides behind shell software. Malware is similar to virus and must be eradicated. Examples of malware software are Trojans, worms, and ransomware. Shareware. Shareware is software that is distributed free of charge with generally limited feature and function. This type of software is properly known as demo software. In addition to limit feature and function, its availability is also limited. This type of software is generally released for promotional and testing purpose. So next slide, software update. Software update is a process in which software developer release the latest version of an application or operating system to fix bugs, add new features, or improve security. This update can be security patch, functionality enhancement, or user interface improvement. These updates are important for maintaining device performance and security, as well as protecting personal data from cyber threat. Next slide. Operating system. An operating system is software program that acts as intermediary between user and computer hardware. It manages hardware resources such as the CPU, memory, storage, and input-output device, ensuring that different program and user can operate efficiently without conflict. The OS is responsible for tasks such as file management, memory management, process scheduling, and handling user input. The three main functions operating system to produce optimal device performance are: number one, managing hardware components. With this function, the OS also needs to ensure that application or programs on the software side can access hardware components or device. First, the OS must identify the component or device. Then the OS will install specific driver for the target hardware so that application can command the hardware to operate immediately, managing application operation. To display application and keep them running normally, that us must ensure that each application has sufficient processor and memory access to run. The OS is also responsible for handling any error that occur while the application is running. If this happens, the OS has a neat mechanism to stop processing and the application will close, enabling UI mode. When the device is active, UI or user interface mode will also be active, allowing you to communicate with the operating system. Once connected to operating system, you will have access to set up, configure, and troubleshoot issues in the operating system and connected hardware. Yes, next slide. Types of operating system: desktop OS, mobile OS, server OS, client OS. Desktop OS is this type of operating system is specifically designed for desktop devices such as a personal computer and laptop. One it planners is the Windows operating system. As technology has developed operating systems have also evolved with Windows 11 being the latest release to date. In terms of capabilities, desktop OS excel in graphical interface quality, file management, window bar management for multitasking needs, and robust device security. SaferOS in an advanced type compared to the previous two operating systems. It is specifically designed for safer computers that monitor multiple client computer devices used by user, as well as the operating system installed on them. Therefore, SaferOS is not part of the digital device you own. It takes cover a wide range of devices and devices. Mobile OS. Mobile OS is type of operating system for managing operation between application and hardware on mobile device such as smartphone and tablets. Its configuration and functionality are similar to desktop operating system but is designed to be simpler. The type of OS was first introduced by Palm OS in 1996, followed by Pocket PC 200 and Windows Mobile, then BlackBerry OS, iOS, Symbian OS, dan Android Client OS. This type of OS works on various mobile devices and desktop computers, so it can be concluded that desktop OS and mobile OS are part of the client OS because it is embedded in mobile and desktop device. It OS only serves to support the operation and communication between software and hardware in this device. Okay, example of operating system is Windows to desktop, macOS is desktop, Ubuntu desktop and server, Debian desktop and server, Android mobile, iOS dan iPadOS is mobile. Thank you for my presentation. Thank you for my one presentation in today night. See you next time and let's go to two presentation. Hardware. What is hardware? Hardware refers to all types of component in a computer device that have a physical form and can be seen, touched, and felt. The main function of hardware is provide support for the main function of a computer such as input processing, output, secondary storage, and communication. It performing its function, hardware is also assisted by software and firmware. Software is a collection of instruction, codes, or programs that help user interact with the computer. Meanwhile, firmware is the link between software and hardware that helps your device operate properly. How hardware works? 1. Basic input instruction. Basic input instruction that can provide information to software, in the case, the operating system, using a driver intermediary. For example, when we click on an application with the mouse, basic process instruction. These instructions serve as intermediaries between input and output processes. These instructions only occur in hardware, not in the computer system as a whole. Basic output instruction. Basic output instruction and instruction that occur when there is a command to use the hardware from the user. Let's go. Hardware start. Next slide. Hardware component. One is central processing unit or CPU. Central processing unit or simple name CPU, often referred to as the brain of the computer. The CPU processes instruction and perform calculation. It communicates with other components to execute tasks efficiently. Example: AMD Ryzen, Intel Core, Intel Celeron, Apple N1, and Intel Pentium. GPU, gosok pijat mulut. GPU, Graphic Processing Unit. Graphic is a graphic processing unit designed to handle visual tasks such as image rendering, video game, and another graphic data processing. GPUs serve to accelerate graphic processing and improve the quality of visual display on device. Example: RTX 350, RTX 450, GTX 160 Ti, and RTX 5050. So, random access memory, RAM. Random access memory, RAM. RAM is the computer short-term memory, temporarily storing data that is actively being used to processor. It allows for quick access to data and sending performance. Example: 60 GB RAM and 8 GB RAM. Power supply unit or PSU. Power supply unit PSU. The PSU converts electrical power from an outlet into usable power for the computer internal component, ensuring they operate safely and efficiently. Hardware number one, receiving input. The first role of hardware is to receive input from device user. For example, when you turn on the CPU by pressing the on button to start computer. Providing input is another important role of hardware is to provide a series of function or output needed by device user after receiving input. The output will then be provided to both user and a series of integrated software, information, and data. Has your computer ever expression an error when a hardware component was damaged? This is because hardware also functions as a place to store information and data, such as CD card and RAM. When these components are damaged, on the consequence is that your device cannot read data and cannot operate properly. Three types of hardware. Number one is hardware input. Input hardware function to receive raw data. Example: mouse, microphone, keyboard, and webcam. Hardware output. Hardware output function to disseminate data and information. Example: headphone, 3D printer, earphone, and printer thermal. Processing hardware. Processing hardware function to process raw data instruction into information. Example: control unit, arithmetic and logic unit, and register and cache. Okay. Next slide. Okay, thank you for my presentation to my PowerPoint. Thank you. See you. Goodbye and bye bye.